How do you think a younger woman will treat you if she's truly attracted to you? You've watched countless videos and read endless posts on how to become irresistible to women, but what happens when you actually succeed? When she finally falls for you, do you think it's all sweetness and light? Sure, she'll brighten your life like sunshine, but there are also things you'd never expect from a woman who's into you. Don't overlook the surprising downsides that come with her attraction. Let's dive in. Seven, she'll cross the friend zone barrier. For attractive men, maintaining purely platonic relationships with women can be a challenge. Physical attraction often blurs the lines. If a younger woman finds you appealing, she may suppress her feelings for the sake of friendship. But in the right setting, a night out, a moment of flirtation, or shared vulnerability, those hidden feelings might surface. The dynamic changes when attraction is present. A casual compliment or a lingering touch might reveal her true feelings, even if they've been kept under wraps. 6. She will be super forgiving. Think back to the hilarious moment in White Chicks when Latrell, a star basketball player, wins a bid to take one of the white chicks out to dinner. Despite her over-the-top attempts to put him off, like spitting in her wine or eating messily, Latrell remains smitten. It's a comedic goldmine but also an accurate depiction of real-life attraction. When someone finds you incredibly attractive, they become remarkably forgiving. If a younger woman is deeply into you, she'll overlook your quirks. Maybe you're not the best texter, or perhaps you're not as trendy as her friends. Normally, these might be deal breakers, but if she's captivated by you, these flaws won't matter. She'll laugh them off and may even find them endearing. Attraction gives her the lens to rationalize and forgive the little things. 5. She'll sacrifice her ego. When you're drawn to someone, you can't hold back from validating them. For women, this behavior is less common but incredibly telling when it does happen. The only man they validate is usually someone they find attractive, a man who fits into their mental picture of a good-looking man, typically someone at the top of the handsomeness scale. And here's the kicker, you don't have to be seen as super attractive everywhere, it just depends on how she perceives you or what kind of man attracts her. If you check all the boxes of what she finds appealing, she'll drop her ego without a second thought. She's ready to connect with you in the most seamless and humble way possible. 4. You'll see it coming. When a woman finds you attractive, she won't hide it. Whether it's stares from across the room, whispers to her friends, or subtle ways of positioning herself closer to you, her interest will be clear. Imagine being at a social event where you've put an effort to look your best, sharp clothing, a well-groomed beard, and a confident aura. You'll notice her noticing you. Younger women are drawn to older men for their unique blend of experience, confidence, and wisdom. When combined with a strong appearance, it creates a magnetic pull. Her subtle but consistent signs will reveal her interest without you needing to guess. 3. She'll be everywhere. Suppose you work together. You go into the kitchen to make yourself a coffee, and 10 seconds later, she's there, she wants a coffee too. You walk past her desk, greet her, and she always stops to respond enthusiastically. You suggest meeting up with colleagues after work, and she's the first to say yes, maybe even changing her plans to be with you. She always tries to make eye contact, be in your presence, and respond positively to your attempts at interaction. However, if she seeks your company for reasons other than the pleasure of your presence, like asking for help with tasks, she may not be as interested in you as she is in the help you offer. 2. The downside of being highly attractive. Some women will try to downplay your looks to make you feel average or normal. If you're highly attractive, this may be to keep your ego in check or maintain their status above yours. They won't say you're ugly, they don't think that, or they wouldn't be with you, but they'll make little comments like, "I've been with more good-looking men than you," or "I always attract handsome guys," to imply your attractiveness isn't new to them. 1. The value proposition. Younger women attracted to older men often see them as more than just romantic partners. They're strategic about the value those men bring. Financial stability, wisdom, and life experience are highly appealing. It's a calculated approach, much like how men view career opportunities. While the connection may seem transactional at times, the attraction is genuine. Younger women often weigh the long-term benefits of a relationship with an older man, making it a mix of emotional and practical motivations. Understanding these dynamics can help you navigate relationships with younger women, balancing their admiration with the realities of their expectations. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.